Automations are elegantly simple, a sequence of actions set into motion by specific events. Let's start by breaking down the concepts. A trigger is the initial event that starts an automation, like a new member joining your community. Conditions are criteria that must be met for the action to proceed, such as how the user joined. Delays introduce a waiting period before the next action, like 10 minutes or 10 days. Actions are the tasks that are completed as a result, such as sending your new member a personalized welcome message. Now, let me show you just how easy this is. Let's create the automation I just described. We'll start with the trigger. We've enabled several to help you craft automations for a wide range of use cases. For our example, the trigger will be a new user joins your community. Now we'll set a condition to make sure we're only targeting members that joined using your mobile app. We'll add a delay of 10 minutes. We've enabled several actions that you can choose from. We'll be using send a message to welcome the new member. And just like that, we've set up a simple automation.